Dear students, today we are going to see furthermore in the same topic, that is the rise of nationalism in Europe. So this chapter will deal you with many of the issues which was visualized by Frederick Sorio. The concept and the practices of the modern state in which the centralized power exercised sovereign means the independent control over the clearly defined territory had been developing over a long period of time in Europe means the concept modern state which was visualized by Frederick Sorio. In it there is a central power which was exercised over the clearly defined territory means the fixed territory or the region that has been developing over the long period of time in the Europe. But a nation state was one in which not only its ruler but the majority of its citizens came to develop a sense of common identity and share history or descent. Means, in the concept which was visualized by Sorio, that is, nation state, not only its rulers but also its majority of citizens they came together and they developed a sense of a common identity as one nation and they shared their history with themselves. This commonness means the nation state did not exist from the time immemorial, means it was not from very beginning. It was forged, it was prepared, it was get created through the various struggles, through the actions of leaders and the common people also. All they came together and they developed this nation state or they practice this modern state concept. So this chapter will look at the diverse process through which nation state and nationalism came into practiced in Europe. The first clear expression of nationalism came with the French Revolution in 1789. The concept nationalism, it was developed in France very first, and from French Revolution in the year 1789 it get developed. As you do remember, was a full-fledged territorial state in 1789 under the rule of an absolute monarch. You know all the things about the French Revolution. The King Louis XVI was ruling over there and how that power was overthrown by the people, and the political and the constitutional changes that came into wake of the French Revolution led to the transfer of a sovereignty from monarchy to the body of French citizens. The power is shared, the power is transferred from the monarch to the people, means democracy is practiced in French Revolution. The revolution means the French Revolution proclaimed that it was the people that would henceforth constitute the nation and shape its identity. The people of France, they are going to constitute their own nation and they are going to give the shape, they are going to give the future to the France. From the very beginning, the French revolutionaries introduced various measures and practices that could create a sense of collective identity among the French people. Various French revolutionaries, they introduce various things or the measures by which all the French people they will come together. So two concepts are highlighted over here. The ideas of La Patrie means the fatherland, and Les Citoyens means the citizen, emphasize the nation of the united community enjoying equal rights under the constitution, means the fatherland and the citizen. These two ideas which was developed by the French revolutionaries brought all the people together, and the idea of nationalism, it started spreading from France to the rest part of Europe.